If you want to make your Windows PC look cool in just few clicks, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to completely transform your desktop with an awesome setup that easy to create. Check my video description for this download link. First, install this WinHawk. Once installation done, search WinHawk, click on open the app, go to explore and install this taskbar styler, start menu styler, notification center styler. Go to details and select install and select accept and install. Do the same thing for others. Once all these installed done, go to home and select the details option in notification center styler. Go to settings, click on the drop down in theme and select Windows Glass, then select save settings. You will have the Windows Glass notification bar. Then go back and select this details in start menu styler. Go to settings, click on the drop down in theme to find the Windows Glass for redesigned start menu and select save settings and you will have the Windows Glass start menu. Go back and select the details in taskbar styler. Go to settings, click on the drop down in theme and select Windows Glass. Then select save settings. And once this done, just close tab here and open up Microsoft Store and search Lively Wallpaper. Once installed done, open. Here you can able to see lots of default live wallpapers. If you want more, then check my video description for this site. Choose the wallpaper you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this. It's beautiful. Scroll down and select the 4K wallpaper. Once download done, you need to select the plus icon in Lively Wallpaper and select choose your file and go to downloads and select the video file and select open. Select OK. And we have successfully set it our wallpaper. It's going to be minimized in system tray. Right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons. Hide the desktop shortcuts. Now go back to downloads and double click on drain meter setup and select install. Finish. It's the installation done. Unload this default skins. And then double click on this RM skin and select install. Close settings. Right click on the player and select unload skin. And you can do this for recycle bin as well. And this is the final look. You can actually use this start menu, transparent notification bar. Everything looks amazing. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.